I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Thinkorswim cash accounts versus margin accounts. We will explore the distinct features of each, helping you understand which account type best suits your trading style and financial goals. We'll cover everything from purchasing power and settlement rules to the risks and benefits associated with borrowing funds. By the end, you will have a clear picture to make an informed decision. With a cash account, you trade exclusively with the money you have deposited. This means you cannot borrow funds from the broker, ensuring you only risk what you own. Trades typically settle in 2 business days, known as T+2, which can restrict frequent day trading. While simpler, it offers less flexibility and purchasing power compared to a margin account, but also carries less risk. A margin account provides the ability to borrow funds from your broker, amplifying your potential returns and purchasing power. For instance, you might be able to buy twice as many shares. However, this leverage comes with risks, including margin calls if your account value drops too low. To engage in unlimited day trading, you generally need to maintain at least $25,000 in equity. Deciding between a cash and margin account depends on your individual trading strategy and comfort with risk. If you prefer a straightforward approach with no debt, a cash account is ideal. For those seeking increased purchasing power and the ability to day trade frequently, a margin account might be suitable, provided you understand the associated risks and meet the minimum equity requirements.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.